Wheel Alignment, Greensboro, North Carolina. Wheel Alignments. Wheel Alignment in Greensboro, North Carolina, and get quality service and low wheel alignment costs in Greensboro, North Carolina at Auto Repair Greensboro, North Carolina. Book an alignment appointment today to get your vehicle checked. When most motorists consider regular maintenance for their auto, they typically only consider when they need to obtain an oil adjustment, cars and truck assessment, or examination for a check engine soon light. You need to add wheel placements to your list following time your lorry requires some general maintenance. It's advised that you have your positioning checked at the very least every 10,000 miles, or when a year, depending on which shows up. Also, simply among your tires, being a little out of line can have an effect on your lorry's overall performance and also your safety and security. Call for appointment. Keep in mind choosing us at Auto Repair Greensboro, North Carolina to choose the time you require the job done. Signs that your placement demands solution: irregular tire put on, rapid tire wear, vehicle pulls to the left or right while driving, tire squeal, the wheel is crooked while driving straight. Why wheel alignment? Shield your tires. If one or more of your wheels is also a little out of line, it will affect your tires. You might discover that your tires are wearing quicker than usual, or that a person tire walk seems a lot more used than the others. Ideally, your tires should all use the very same at the same time. If one tire is wearing too thin, you could risk of getting a puncture or a blowout. Call for a check. Boost your fuel economy with wheel alignment. A misaligned auto can in fact throw away several of the gas in your storage tank. You could be possibly making use of near to 7% much more gas. While that might not feel like a big deal at first look, it certainly builds up with time. Call for appointment. Stay safe in harsh issues with wheel alignment. Hefty rainfalls can make the road unsafe enough as is. The last thing you'll want to stress over is if the tread on your tires has sufficient hold to quit your lorry when you apply your brakes. If one, or even more of your wheels, is also somewhat out of line, it will certainly impact your tires. You may notice that your tires are putting on quicker than common, or that one tire walk seems a lot of extra work than the others. Ideally, your tires should all put on the very same at the exact same time. If one tire is putting on as well thin, you might run the risk of obtaining a level tire or blowout. Call us today to get an appointment for a wheel alignment at 336-551-8615.